We've covered some basics, but now it's time to have a lot of fun in clips. This is one of my favourite features. We're going to press the posters button in the middle, and straight away you'll see a screen come up with loads of really colourful graphics with text on. Have an explore and choose one that you like. I'll go for this Planet Earth themed one. When you tap on it, you can then change the text in that poster. You can type in whatever title or message for your video you would like. Press apply in the top corner, and then you're back to this page. Your poster might look a little bit different at the moment, but if you press and hold the record button, that big pink one, you'll hopefully see your poster come to life as it gets added to your clips project. You can record for as long as you want to, and when you let go, it will be inserted like a video into your project. I'll press my poster button again, and this time I'm going for my autumn leaves. Seriously, stop this video now and go and have a look at the posters in clips. They are absolutely incredible. There's so much choice and they are so professional and so fun. They will look amazing in whatever project you're making.